This is our breeding pen for our native growth upgrading program. Simple lang po ito. Tarima lang nilagay namin. And then meron silang kainan, feeding trough, and isang buck. Itong buck na to, this is half La Mancha, half ang Lunubian from Mount Carmel. At nilagyan namin siya ng 14 na babae, young does actually. So ang mga anak nito would be upgraded native goats for meat production. Hindi po ito milk production, meat production po ito. Pinili ko yung La Mancha sapagkat natikman ko yung karne ng La Mancha. Hindi maanggo, hindi maanghit, at makapal yung karne. So naisip ko, subukan kong gamitin yung La Mancha. Although it's a dairy breed actually. Naisip ko na gamitin yung La Mancha sa upgrading program, mainly because of the size and the heft, and of course the meat quality. Kasi ang native goats natin ay famous for quality meat. Kung ikumpara mo to sa mga imported na kambing, mas masarap actually ang native na kambing. Malambot yung balat, masarap para sa kilawin, at walang anghit. Pero dahil maliliit sila, naisipan kong i-upgrade, and I'm using this buck. I have about 50 young does na isasama ko sa upgrading program na ito. Hopefully by next year, we will be able to produce the upgraded native goats using La Mancha.